The VIA NRS noise display, a mobile system for noise reduction in road traffic. The combination of lightweight measurement box and mobile LED display is quickly mounted and helps to reduce noise on popular excursion routes in residential areas or around industrial parks. After mounting on existing masts, both devices can be secured with locks against theft and unauthorized access. The batteries supply the system with power for up to 3 weeks. To extend this runtime, a solar power supply is also possible. The measuring box has a weatherproof microphone and transmits the measured values to the LED display by radio. This provides visual feedback to the road users, who can immediately adjust their driving behavior. Design the display freely according to your ideas. We will be happy to help you with the implementation. Particularly where the need for peace and quiet meets harmful traffic noise, VIA NRS is a simple and effective solution to sustainably minimize the potential for conflict between affected residents and road users. The collected data is stored on an SD card and may be easily analyzed and read out with the VIA Data Viewer. Further equipment and information material can be found on our website www.viatraffic.de.